Good evening. We're gonna be doing some chicken fried rice, okay? So let's get started. Let me get this stove on. All right. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to the wok. I'm going to use that to fry our egg. First of all, we scramble it. Scramble the egg. I use my new chopsticks. I use it to Alright, so we have the egg in. We're gonna add some salt, pinch of salt, and some pepper. Alright, we're going to set that aside. Now I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add some garlic, onions, small onion, and some garlic. And then I'm going to add a chicken breast. I have half chicken breast diced. Wow, it smells so good. The ginger, so that's onion, ginger, and garlic with the chicken breast. All right, I'm going to add some carrots. And for the chicken, you could use leftover chicken, roast chicken, you know. This is some bell peppers, optional, but I like some bell pepper in my fried rice, so that's really optional. Ah, smells so good. Good. Now I'm going to add the rice. And it's good to use stale rice, okay? So I have some soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. Oyster sauce is the best thing to use, but I'm allergic to shell food, so I'm not going to use any oyster sauce. I'm not taking any chance. We're going to pour that over. Allow it to fry. Add some more. Maybe half more teaspoon soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Wow, smells good like a Chinese restaurant. Now I'm going to add the eggs. And some scallions. Moment. Some peas. I love my peas, okay? Look at that. This is no joke. This is real Chinese food. So it's about ready. Now let me taste. Look at that. The recipe is in the description. You can try it at home. It's really, really good. Tastes good. Smells good. Look at the color. It's just right. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.